One, two, three.
What's up, losers? It's me coming to you from my floor with my cat. Today is Monday, first day of the week. I've done everything that I need to do today, but I have a package coming. I have two packages coming. It's my BTS Memories DVD and my Blackpink 4-in-1 Project DVD. And I'm all Photobook, whatever it is, and I'm super excited for them to arrive because I've been waiting for these for weeks. And yeah, so now I'm just sitting here patiently waiting for them to come so I can unbox them. I even wore my Blackpink shirt for this. And after forever, I finally get to rearrange my shelf. I still do not have my one concept book from like months ago, but hopefully it's on its way. Yes, but they just released, or the company, Hyde, Big Hit, whatever, just released the preview for the online concert DVD. So not only do we get a concept book, we get a DVD. I'm kind of dreading buying it because it's so much money. It just hurts. All this money I've spent on K-pop is ridiculous. I could have been rich by now, but it's alright, we will make sacrifices. Yeah, this is my Memories DVD. Take your bids, and whose card do you think we're gonna pull? I've manifested this. I'm so excited. Stop. No. 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 What the fuck? Hold on. Can you see it? I don't know if you can tell. There's like dents all throughout this. That makes me so fucking sad. What the hell, FedEx? Oh, now I'm like sad. Alright, I guess. Oh, that makes me so sad. Ah! What the fuck? Look at that. Oh, pain, pain, pain. I fucking called it. I knew it. For DVDs, I have a Yoongi curse. He follows me everywhere with DVDs. But thank God he looks so cute. Yeah, so cute. I will cherish this forever. Despite the damages done to the front of the Memories photo book, the pictures are still very pretty and all look great. AJK. So cute. I love them. Oh my god, always this part here, binder rings, always scares me that I'm accidentally gonna like rip the page, but they look so good. Oh, I love them. I miss them. Look at them. Dynamite Era. Oh, Black Swan, the Superior. I don't know where I was going with that, but anyway, yes, Black Swan Superior. I love it. Cuties. Hobie. I like these things, little plastic plastic things. So cute. Oh, can't believe this was all last year. Time really does fly. I just made myself this bowl of pasta, so I'm gonna eat it. And right now, oh, it was wet there. I've been on a YouTube deep dive into like this Amberlynn universe on YouTube from this girl named Amberlynn, and yeah, I'm catching up on all of the tea and the drama while I eat my pasta and I wait for my other package. Oh, it's so good. All I feel is pain, pure pain. Look how good the photo cards look. Oh my god, look at Taze. Oh, I want to cry. Oh, but it's a Blu-ray, so I know it's going to be expensive. Oh, but it does look really pretty. Oh my god, I'm not built for this. This is the regular one, and it looks good too. And red is my favorite color. Not that that's like a reason to spend like $100. Oh, movie tickets. Oh, sad. Oh, photo cards. Okay, I'm convinced I'll buy it. My arm looks so chubby, but anyway, my 4-end one or 4-in-1? I think it's 4-and-1 DVD just arrived right now, so I'm going to unbox this as well. How exciting. Here we are again. Okay. Oh shit, it's huge. Oh my god. Oh, it's bigger than I expected. Let me take a picture. Pre-order benefits. Oh. Oh my god. Very pretty though. Very pretty. Are you kidding me? Lisa. Oh my god. I love. How pretty. Another day of me not pulling a single Lisa though, because I swear her PCs hate me. But look how cute. I love. They're so pretty. I love them so much. I also pulled Jisoo's poster, but it is huge, so I won't open it. But these made me cry. Look how cute. Oh my god, stop. I actually want to cry. Why am I getting emotional? And there's Jenny's. There's Rosie's. Oh my god, my eyes, they're watering. And of course there's Lisa's. Oh, this was the best picture. When this came out, I was like, wow. Oh my god. Look at them. Also, let's all take a moment because this photo book is incredible and I'm actually so surprised. And look how freaking cute she is. Oh, Jisoo, I love it. I'm actually very surprised in YG that they did this. But I love. This is just an extra bonus clip because look how cute this picture of Rosie is. Wow. Also, how nice does this look? Memories of 2019 got bumped down and 2020 got bumped up. Also, my plant is low-key dying and I don't know how to save it, so if any of you are experts on Chinese bamboo, hit me up. Here we have a nice little overview of everything that came with my pools. I'm very grateful for everything, despite this having some serious damage on the front. I'm still very grateful and very appreciative to own these now. And I love them, and they're so cute. And I'm so happy. I'm back. I took my dog for a walk. It is now like past 6 o'clock. I'm eating these chicken satay sticks that my mum made, and oh my god, I almost slipped. They are very good, but after this I'm gonna go take a shower, wash my face, do all that good stuff, and yeah, debate what I'm gonna do next. I feel like I'm probably gonna watch Harry Potter since I'm back on that Harry Potter shit, and yeah, just binge watch all of them until like 5 AM.